Another day, another story. Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Creative Minds. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of budget travel. If you've ever dreamed of exploring exotic destinations without breaking the bank, you're in for a treat. Stick around as I share my top budget travel tips that will have you jet-setting on a shoestring budget in no time. 1. Planning ahead. Our first tip is all about planning ahead. Start by choosing your destination during the off-peak season when prices for flights and accommodations are lower. Use flight comparison websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights to find the best deals. 2. Accommodation hacks. Now, let's talk about accommodations. Consider staying in hostels, guesthouses, or Airbnb rentals instead of expensive hotels. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices, especially for longer stays. And here's a pro tip. Look for accommodations with a kitchenette to save on dining expenses. 3. Transportation tricks. Getting around can eat up a big chunk of your budget. Opt for public transportation, like buses and trains, which are often more affordable than taxis or rental cars. If you're feeling adventurous, you could even try hitchhiking in some countries. Just make sure to prioritize your safety. 4. Local cuisine delights. One of the best ways to experience a new culture is through its food. Skip the touristy restaurants and seek out local eateries, food markets, and street vendors. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get an authentic taste of your destination. 5. Free and low-cost activities. Who said travel had to be expensive to be enjoyable? Many destinations offer free or low-cost activities like walking tours, museum discounts, and cultural festivals. Do a little research before you go to take full advantage of these opportunities. 6. Traveling light. Packing smart can save you both money and hassle. Travel with just a carry-on bag to avoid checked baggage fees. Plus, packing light gives you the flexibility to use budget airlines and local transportation without lugging around heavy bags. 7. Souvenir strategy. When it comes to souvenirs, think small and meaningful. Instead of splurging on mass-produced trinkets, opt for locally made crafts or keepsakes that hold a special memory of your trip. It's a great way to support local artisans too. 8. Travel insurance importance. Last but not least, don't skimp on travel insurance. It may seem like an extra expense, but it's essential to have coverage in case of emergencies, cancellations, or unforeseen situations. It'll give you peace of mind throughout your journey. And there you have it. My top budget travel tips to help you explore the world without emptying your wallet. Remember, traveling on a budget is all about being resourceful, flexible, and open to new experiences. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Creative Minds for more travel inspiration, and let me know in the comments below if you have any budget travel hacks of your own. Until next time, happy travels! Don't miss out on our next adventure. Click here to subscribe, and watch more travel tips here. Safe travels! Thanks for watching.